Am I required to take a breath, blood, or urine test?
What a fun question. You do not by law have to submit to these tests. Unless there is a severe accident where there's serious injury to an individual, then the police with warrant can get a blood draw forced in that scenario, okay? However, if there is not an accident with injury, you do not have to submit to any of the testing. There are consequences to that. A breath test, if you refuse the breath test, you will face a 1-year license revocation. If it's a first-time DUI, we can potentially get you a hardship the entire time. If it's a second or subsequent DUI, there are additional consequences that create major issues. If it's a second refusal, you will look at 18 months, a year and a half, where you can't drive at all. Urine's a little bit different. They can only generally ask for urine if you blow under a .08. You can still refuse the urine test. It is treated as a refusal. Same law applies. If you previously refused the test, you refuse again, you can look at an 18-month suspension. That being said, here's some caveat. If you take the breath test, you're under a .08. You take the urine test, no matter what is in that urine, you keep your license pending the outcome of the DUI. Okay, so there's a lot of complexity with refusals. You can refuse everything, basically. But again, the consequences, there's wrinkles, caveats, and scenarios that can occur that we have to talk you through, that a legal expert must make you aware of.
And the consequences can extend into criminal consequences. If it's your second refusal, you can be charged with an additional misdemeanor in addition to that DUI.